Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amna Bibi and my group member is Shiza Kamran. Now I will tell about the history of environmental science. What we are doing to the forest environmental of the world is best a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and others. Mahatma Gandhi. Now next topic is I would like to tell about the Peirce history of environmental science definition. Environmental history, the study of human interaction with the natural world, our time. And the next topic is scientist of environmental science. Theodore Roosevelt, Aldo Leopold, Johann Muir, Rascal Carson, Thomas Robert Malthus. Now, first of all, I would like to tell about the Theodore Roosevelt, first environmental president, known as conservational president, established the national forest and park system, went to the Badlands in South Dakota to hunt there. He became convinced by the destruction of big game species and overgrazing of the grassland. Now, next is Theodore Roosevelt, established federal bird reserves, 4 national game preserves, 150 national forests, 5 national parks protect 2,030 lakh acres of land. Now next I will tell about the conservation of national resources is a fundamental problem. Unless we solve that problem, it will avail us little to solve all other. I will end this about the Theodore Roosevelt. Now I would like to tell about the next is Aldo Leopold. Born in Bringley-Tongo, father of wildlife conservation in US. Known for his concept of the land ethic, we abuse land because we regret it as community belonging it us. When we use land as a community to which we belong, we may begin to use it with love and respect. Said we need to repair the damage we were caused always we taken care of the land. And the book's names of Aldo Leopold is Ascent Country, Elmans, Ron River, etc. Now I will tell about the Johann Muir, 1838 to 1940, founder of Stira Club, convinced Roosevelt to make Yosemite into the national park in every walk with nature on receive for more than he seek. Rascal Carson, 1907 to 1964, mother of environmental science. She was aware of the dangers of pesticides such as DDT. DDT was important to agriculture. She wrote about it in her book Silent Spring 1962. Now we will tell about more about the Rascal Carson. She was attacked by pesticides companies who wanted to discredit her work. DDT was banned as a result of her study. Time magazine elected her on the most influential people of the century. Thomas Robert Malthus predicted the exponential pollution growth would outpace linear food production which leads to starvation. Wrote the book as essay on principle of pollution. National Environmental Policy Act USA in the first comprehensive environmental law. Now construction if it negatively affects the environment. Enacted on 1st January 1970. The first Earth Day was arranged by students of school, college, universities, and by hundreds of communities, first celebrated in 1970 and now celebrated more than 192 countries each year. If you really think the economy is more important than the environmental, try holding your breath whilst your country your money. Thank you so much to listen our presentation carefully.